The Osirion is an ancient structure in Abydos, Egypt. There is much debate as to how old the Osirion structure is, how far back it dates. The current estimations are incorrect. The Osirion goes back to the beginning of time. It carries an energy that is beyond this earth. Beings from other realms also came down to the Osirion. It was a most important spiritual portal. Many came to receive energy from different dimensions. Within the Osirion, there is a pattern marked in several places. This pattern is known as the flower of life. The flower of life was a gift given unto mankind as a means of opening the heart and impacting the soul. It was meant to be visualized during meditation. Visualized or visualization means to picture an image and connect to that image energetically during meditation. So the flower of life was meant to be visualized during meditation. For those given knowledge of this gift, they would visualize the flower of life laying on top of their heart. This was the technique taught at the time. Then each section of the flower or each petal was meant to unlock sections of the heart, in the hope that all the heart would eventually open up completely. For the very highly evolved souls at the time, they were given further, deeper knowledges of the flower of life. They would experience each section or each petal carrying its own unique energy. These energies were the beginnings of the highest virtues. Virtues such as wisdom, compassion, and humility. Each petal had its own energy, yet there was a oneness in terms of the flower as a whole. Those rare few who had humility came to experience that the flower of life was indeed, in essence, the eternal energy. At a later stage, the flower of life was also visualized as being placed on different parts of the body. For example, the flower was visualized in the palm of the hands, on the third eye, and on the center of the chest. Humanity does not understand the gift of this human body for their soul's evolution. The human body is a dynamic structure that avails one to experience a spectrum of energies. I do, however, wish to emphasize that the highest placement of the flower of life during visualization was upon the heart. Now here is a secret. The heart is a portal. The heart can take you to worlds that the human mind cannot grasp. It can take you to dimensions beyond this world and even the next. One can experience love when they meet their beloved. One can experience heartache when they part from their beloved. The flower of life was indeed a gift to bring the heart to life. And when the heart is brought to life, only then can it be said that one is truly living.